My name's Sabriam. I work here at Celina Tent as a production associate, and today I'm going to show you the Kabar. Come with me. Alright, this is our Kabar machine, and it uses radio frequencies to heat weld our tents together. And it's really nice because you can do corners and angles. And we put it in there. Make sure everything's nice and straight. You good?
Yeah.
And it makes a watertight and airtight seal. Totally welds the vinyl together. And that's how we make really high quality tents for our customers, and they love it. Thanks for watching.